savage putting it into gear. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me. I currently have one of my mate's S13s. Now this is one of the more extreme cars I've driven. So 2.1 stroker in this car. S14 5-speed dog box. ATS carbon diff with 4 6s. A very clunky car to drive. Feels very, very savage. Amazing looking car. Heltec dash, cage, Recaros. And the thing I really love about this car, every single little part on this car is brand. ARC, Tomei, Jun, Nismo, every single part. It's the first time I've ever driven a car with a dog box, and fuck, it feels like you're braking this thing every time you change gears. Very scary, as you can hear. This car also has a complete, genuine Nismo kit. So aero bar, rocket dancer lip, plastic skirts, has actually a 32 GDR wing with a rocket dancer add-on, which is very, very cool. Even has the vents and stuff on the front, so everything done really proper on this car. These Recaros actually are worth a lot of money nowadays. These are like the early Evo ones. They're called the confetti Recaros, where they got the multicolored confetti looking pattern on them. Aredo wheel, just everything in this car is amazing. Bomex mirrors, Origin bonnet. The color of this car is actually a Mercedes color of an ML, like a Mercedes SUV. It's actually to match their tow car. This car makes really good power as well. Not ridiculous, 280 kilowatt on 17 pound. It's got a full solid head, Tomei head, Jun cams, CP pistons. So with the diff gears and stuff, very zippy. All the cooling ARC, radiator, intercooler, genuine Trust Greddy TD06. So perfect setup for an SR20. Feels like the car is falling apart, but I guess this is just how it's supposed to be. Fucking hell. I really want to give it, but there is nowhere. It's traffic around here. So this was actually a green CADE Auto car when they bought it, and this is what they've built it into over. I've had this car a long time. People from the Melbourne drift scene that have been in the drift scene for a while will actually know, or should remember, the SIL 80 with the plates zip tie. Now that car got crashed, or the shell was very tired, and it actually, all the running gear is out of that. It got reshelled into this car, so this is effectively the old zip tie SIL 80 that many people would know from like 10 years ago in the Victorian drifting scene. Fuck, it's zippy. It comes on boost straight away and just wheel spins. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of SR20s, but this car definitely puts a smile on your face. Actually, the owner of this car is driving behind me, just in case something goes wrong or I get pulled over or something, so I can't be too stupid. Plus, it's not my car, so it's a bit disrespectful.